A really great exhibit with beautiful displays. Relatively quick and a good idea for a rainy day. The surrounding area is also very beautiful and there's a lot to see. The experience was absolutely beautiful and eye-opening, and I really enjoyed seeing things from a different perspective. Ease of booking on Klook, really easy and so fast booking. Experience Petra Collins, fangirl at Daelim Museum, near Gyeongbokgung Palace in Seoul. The world's first solo exhibition of Petra Collins features over 500 works, including photography, video, installations, fashion, magazines, and archives. Spread across the second to fourth floors, the exhibition traces Collins' journey, from a self-taught teenage photographer to a leading fashion photographer, film director, and creative director. Celebrating the 30th anniversary of the Daelim Cultural Foundation, this special exhibition reflects the museum's dedication to sharing powerful, emotional artistic experiences. Love contemporary art and culture? Don't miss this must-see exhibition. Book your tickets today.